Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm simply Brandy right back. So let me tell you something. Every successful forex trader got hacked, and there is something you didn't know, that every pair has its behavior, like gold, NASDAQ 100 or USD. So you will find that Euro USD, if it's to make a big move, it can make a big move of 40-50 pips a day, and if gold decides to make a big move, it can even make a 500 pips a day. So you will find that GBP/USD, it can make 60 pips a day. So let me tell you something. This is what you didn't know about NASDAQ 100. I always trade NASDAQ 100 whenever I spot my A+ setup. And guess what? This setup happens every day. Let's go to the charts so that I can show you this strategy. One thing you should know about NASDAQ 100 is that if it decides to give you some money, it really gives you with everything. Like that you didn't know, me, I'm a pure price action trader. I do trade live with the team, and if you can check below, there is a link to my Telegram channel. Of course, it is free. I share free signals, live trading, and all of those stuff. So alright, if you can check well, I would say start your analysis from the daily. So daily, it will help you to look for the bias, not the direction. So if you can check on a daily, let's say you can see we are in a channel, but to check on a daily, this gives you confidence while you're executing on your lower time frame. For example, if you can see that we are in this channel, on a daily time frame. So when you slop down to the 4H, I will first remove these session breaks, and those lines that you're seeing, this is a session indicator, and I will show you can go to indicator search session so that you can get to know what session for NASDAQ 100 it has already started. So I will first remove it so that you can get to know. So on a 4H, what you're gonna do, draw your key zones, and those are the support and resistance. We are having this level here of support, so we are having that level of support. And again, if you can check well, we are having so many support and resistance, but I want you to take a look at those key areas, and if you can check it well, you will see that we are having here, the market respected it very well. We can see the market is trying to use it as a support, right? Which is very, very nice. Then if you go to the daily again, you will find that this channel here, it is a continuation channel. If you can realize it very well, like it is a continuation channel. You will see that the channel, it is like this, and most of the time you will find something like this. You get a break to the upside. But right now, this is what I'm not trying to show you. I'm just giving you some knowledge about the chart patterns and all of those stuff, because once you spot that we are in a channel on NASDAQ 100 on a daily, whenever the market jumps at the support, my eyes should be open. That is it. But what I want you to see, you will find that this is a New York session, right? In a New York session, you will find that this NASDAQ 100, it will consolidate on Asian session, London session, but when it comes to New York session, it makes a big move, you see. So you can see every New York session, when it's time for NASDAQ 100, it makes that big move. This will open your eyes and stop trading NASDAQ 100 in London session or Asian session. So another thing is I want you to go on a lower time frame, which is the 5 minute. And on a 5 minute, even if I delete the rest of the things, I want you to take a look at the 5 minute. What do you see? What price action do you see? This is a 5 minute. So you will find that NASDAQ 100 has this strategy. Whenever it breaks, it doesn't come back. So you will find that if they teach you about breakout strategy, you find that this is a trend to the downside. They will tell you, wait for the break of structure, a trend line break, wait for a retest. And so I know this is where you draw your trend line and be like, this is a trend line break, let me wait for a retest down of which at the support so that I can buy that market. But you realize I myself, I used to trade like that. Maybe it can really work. What I realized, the market never come back because they are NAS 100 it is. So I want you to take a look. This is the open of the New York market. And if it is the open of New York market, you will realize that this is a trend line. This is a trend line break to the downside. So this is where people can mark out their support somewhere like this, and they wait for retest to the upside. Boom. And the market, you can see they missed. If you were targeting this trade and waiting for a retest and all of those stuff, you would have missed some money. So let's go to another day. You will find that here we are dropping down, and if you can see that we are having this here, we are having this channel, this wedge dropping down. You will find that someone marking out here's something like this, his support around here. You can see this is a support. Later on it can be used as a resistance, but you will find that someone is waiting for this candlestick to retest here, and boom, he missed that move to the upside. I want you to take a look, and this is the open, and you draw your trend line here, whereby this one, and you wait the third touch after the trend line, after the candlestick closing below this trend line. You go in for your sell setup, and boom, and you make some good money. You can see, you get. So again, you're going to see that in every session, something like this plays out. You get go and practice 5-minute chart, and you will see this is a trend line having this channel, very good one. Then a trend line break here, the candle closes below those trend line, and boom, you make some good money during New York session. So you can be there chilling, and yet you already know what's going to happen. Open the 5-minute time frame, just look at the chart. Let's say the chart is around here. You be like, what are the information forming around? You see that this is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then there is a break around here. You get, there is a break around there. Then this is where you draw your this. It was supposed to be a third touch here, so that the market it can go down. You see that? Then you will see that there is a very nice, the candlestick close above, and there is a very nice risk reward to the upside, and you're making that money. Let's go to another day. This is the open here, and you will see that this is where you use your support and resistance. Where is the support? We are having this support here, right? Again, we are having our resistance around here. If we break the support, I will sell. If we break the resistance, I will buy. That is it. Because whenever time comes for NAS 100 to move, it doesn't really make those things of retest and all of those stuff. You can see this is a break, stop loss right here below, and you're catching a very nice risk reward. According to the target, you can target like 1 to 2.5. You can see this is 1 to 2.6 R, but you can target 1 to 2.5 R. You can see this is AR. You can see these key zones, if you realize it, where they help you to have a target. So here you will find that this NAS 100, it is dropping to this zone here. So it can help you to hold and be like, you know what, the next key zone, since we are dropping down, the next key zone we are having this one. Since we are going maybe up, the next key zone we are having this. Alright, that is it. I hope you learned something, and make sure you subscribe down. Let's make it to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, comment down, let me know what you're thinking. Alright.